guys, so for today's video, we're gonna make big salmon sushi. Here are the ingredients: white rice vinegar, cream cheese, white sugar, salmon, seaweed, black pepper, crab stick, Japanese mayo, and of course, Japanese rice. We're only gonna use quality ingredients for this recipe, and yung mga measurements, I'll just put it in the description box below. First step is to prepare the rice. Di ko lang sure kung parehas lahat ng directions para sa Japanese rice, pero yung sa akin kasi nakalagay, I have to soak it for 30 minutes before cooking. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Oh, and per cup ng rice, it's equal to 1.5 cups of water. The next step is to remove the skin of our salmon. After removing the skin, next step is to marinade. So, ang recipe dito is 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, and yung pepper, it depends on you na lang. So, ang next step natin is kailangan nating himayin ang ating crab stick. So, para mas madali ito, kinamay ko na lang siya instead ng fork kasi defrosted naman na siya. So, after nun, nalagyan na natin siya ng Japanese mayonnaise and softened cream cheese. Make sure na softened siya kasi kung hindi, syempre mas mahirap siya i-combine. Ganon. So, yung sa akin kasi yung cream cheese galing sa ref. So, minicrowave ko muna siya ng mga 15 seconds tapos, ayun, good to go na yon. Ang next naman na kailangan himayin is yung minamarinate nating salmon. So, I got 2 forks tapos ginanyan ko. Hindi ko ma-explain kung paano ko ginagawa, pero parang sinashred ko siya. Ganyan, into smaller chunks. Tapos, babalikan ko yung mga malalaking chunks para gawing mas maliit. Ganon. And then, pagkatapos niyan, lalagay na natin yung na-combine na nating cream cheese, mayonnaise, and crab stick. And then, just mix it all together. Since wala akong furikake, gumamit ako ng seaweed and then kinut ko na lang siya into smaller bits. Dapat nga may sesame seeds pa yun, pero okay lang yan. For the homemade rice vinegar, we need 40 grams of white rice vinegar and a tablespoon of sugar. Tapos, we have to mix it all together until combined. So, here are the trays that I'm gonna be using. So, compared sa mga iba na gumagawa nito, medyo maliit yung sa akin. So, I figured na i-divide ko na lang yung toppings ko into 4. Pero actually, 3 lang nagawa ko nito at the end of the video eh. So, what I did here was, I got half of the toppings and I put hot sauce. Usually, sriracha yung ginagamit ng mga tao, pero what I have at home is capsaicin. So, if you notice, drops lang talaga nilalagay ko kasi sobrang ahang talaga nito, swear. So, in total, ang nilagay ko is 6 drops. So, super okay na talaga yun, maanghang na yun. And I love spicy food, pero yun talaga yung parang moderate lang, 6 drops. So, after maluto yung rice natin, kailangan natin siyang medyo buhag-hagin. And then, ilalagay na natin yung homemade rice white vinegar. So, konti muna yung nilagay ko kasi natatakot ako baka maging super asim. So, minix ko siya ng minix para ma-combine talaga. And of course, you have to taste it kung okay na. And para sa akin, hindi pa okay. So, dinagdagan ko pa. And then, minix ko ulit until well combined. So, since ready na yung lahat, kailangan na natin mag-prepare nung tray. So, ang ginawa ko muna is, inubos ko muna yung rice para malaman ko kung ilan yung tray na kaya kong maubos. So, yun nga, 3 lang yung kaya. So, yung second layer, lalagyan natin ng seaweed bits, tapos yung toppings na natin. Tapos, seaweed bits ulit kasi gusto ko mas-seaweed. Tapos, medyo parang pang presentation na rin. Lagyan ng extra mayonnaise na parang swirl-swirl sa taas. Yan. And then, yung final tray ko, since ubos na nga yung rice, parang dinouble ko na lang yung lagay ng aking toppings. So, ito yung spicy version. By the way, dapat pala naka-preheat muna yung oven nyo ng 190 degrees for a few minutes bago pinasok yung mga tray. So yung first 2 trays, mga 13 minutes lang, and the last tray was 16 minutes kasi double nga. Okay, Hok-An.
Oh, wait lang. Wala, hindi pa nagpe-play.
Play na yan, kanina pa. Okay. Taste
Okay.
test. Wait, eto
So,
muna.
what do I do?
Ito yung spicy. Tapos ito yung hindi
I
spicy.
want spicy.
Sige, try mo muna yung not spicy.
Do you just like cut it?
Mm-mm.
Then I just...
Ang dami naman yun. Pero sige.
It's really good.
Okay.
I like the blend of the fish and the cheese. It's the perfect amount of flavor, at least for me. I'll try some of the spice now.
Kasi baliktad. Oh, kanin lang yan.
There's still like spice in the rice, so it's still good.
Ito kasi more ang nilagay kong parang feeling.
It's very nice. So like you can definitely like eat this as like a snack. And if you have friends around, you can just eat this.
Okay, so what are your comments or any suggestions?
The fish, it was really nicely spread out. There was no there were no parts that were too little, but there were no parts that were too much. It was a nice even spread.
Okay. So would you recommend
Yes.
this recipe?
Yes.
Okay, yay!